before, and it was home to the Sears company, the largest, Sears Roebuck, the largest retailer in the United States at the time. Eventually they did move out of the building for a suburban office campus. Became a regular rental office building. They also sold the naming rights, and one of the occupants of the building bought the naming rights. And it's the Willis Company from Great Britain, their financial firm. And so that's why it's called the Willis Tower now. A lot of people here in Chicago have a hard time calling it the Willis Tower. They always call it the Sears Tower. But anyway, they had a very unique structural system in that building. They called it the bundled tube system, and it was the base of the building is 3 squares by 3 squares, total of 9 squares tied together, and they rise up. And then the squares drop off, so that eventually up at the top you have 2, just 2 squares up there. The building is 1,474 feet high, or 443 meters. It was the tallest until buildings in Asia passed this up in 1990. And then more recently, we can at least say we're the tallest building in North America. But recently, the Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat, who decides these things, is considered the official source, says that One World Trade Center in New York is now the tallest building in North America. However, they are including in their calculation the spire up on top of that building, which is 1,776 feet or 541 meters. They do not count our antennas up there. Our height is calculated just through the roof of the building. However, if you were to put the One World Trade Center and Willis Tower side by side, you would see that the roof of our building is about 100 feet taller, or about 35 meters taller. You'd be looking down on the roof of the One World Trade Center. And also the observation floor. I checked this out. The height, we do have the highest observation floor in North America. See, I'm just trying to still have bragging rights about something here in Chicago. So I still think we have some bragging rights here. They consider the spire an architectural element of the building, and they do include that in their height calculation.